I wish I could return your smile and make these arguments worthwhile. Though in my mind, to be extreme, I tend to swim against the stream. A man on the run from the things that he did wrong, so on his own, looking for a home. Now I am talking to myself again to break the silence, and by the candlelight I'm holding on to memories tonight. When I am calm, right in your arms, I know you're everything I need. When I am scared, in my despair, I tend to bite the hand that fades. A journey too long for a place in the sun. I walk through the dark, looking for a spark. Now I am talking to myself again to break the silence, and let the candlelight I'm holding on to memories tonight, holding on to everything that makes me feel alive, dreaming of the morning when security arrives. Now I am talking to myself again to break the silence, and by the